Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chaitanya and I'm part of an organization called ECDE, in which we help anyone who watches our video in a nonprofit and free way. So without further ado, I'll be teaching you how to play Wake Up by Travis Scott. At least just the first part of it, like, the intro when you hear the song and you hear the riffs, the chords or whatever, right? I just played that for you in the beginning. So I will say there is some amounts of barring in here and some amounts of chord that also goes with fingerstyle. Is really weird, but just make sure you are prepared for that. So first thing, we start off by doing this. Let me just adjust my positioning right here. All right. So third fret, sixth string, you pluck that once, and then you do it again. So like, but then as soon as you do it the second time, you want to play your chord here, which is the both fourth fret, D and G strings, or fourth and third string, and you play them together. So third string, and then you kind of like let go, like you release the tension instead of you go, right? And you do that twice. So you go. And then when you do it the second time, you want to have both these fingers that are playing these chords, and you want to slide it both down 2 frets. So like that. Right. Then once you're there, you want to do the same thing that you did here, but on the second fret of the sixth string. So you play it once, and then you play it again. But the second time you play it, you want to be ready to plug these two notes. So this is third fret, third string, and then this one is fourth fret, fourth string. And you want to do it twice. So what we have so far. All right. So those are the two chords. One starts at third fret, yeah, like the third fret. The other one starts at second fret, but it spreads out here more. And then once you do those two, you're gonna want to go back to the first one, right? But you only play it once. You don't play it. You don't play that. You just do the first one, and then you do this. I guess like a weird, funky way to get like in a B shape. You do a hammer on from open on fifth to second on fifth string. So like that. So after you go, so, and then right under this A, you want to bar the second fret of the fourth and third string. You want to bar like this. Right. So after you play the open, the hammer on, be like ready to do that. It's pretty simple, I guess. Just like turn your finger down. So you bar it, and then you slide it up, both these notes on the third and fourth string. Why did my printer just turn on? Okay. So you bar those, and you slide up on both these strings. You slide up 2 frets. So so you hammer on, slide up, and you pluck these 2 new notes. So fourth fret on the fifth and fourth fret on the fourth string and fourth fret on the third string. All right, so far we got okay, great. After that, you're gonna wanna use another bar from using your first finger from the on the second fret of the second fret of the fifth to first string. So all the way here, you're just not fretting the top part, only fretting this part here, and you pluck the second fret of the fifth string once, and then instead of plucking it again like how we usually did, like a pattern with like or like something like that, the second time you'd pluck the fourth fret of the fourth string. So it sounds like that. That's what we're going for. So you pluck the second fret of the fifth string, and then the fourth fret of the fourth string, and then you pluck open. I guess it's open, but you're barring it, right? So your bar is second fret of the third string, and then third fret of the second string. So it sounds like this. Technically, for me, I'll count it as open, but you're really playing the second fret of the third string and third fret of the second string. Right, and I'm using my middle finger for that last two parts. So this chord is right. So just make sure the second time you're playing a note in this shape that it is the fourth string and not the fifth string again. Right, and after that, this part is pretty simple. You let go of that shape, and then I like to use my first finger because it's much better for sliding, because we're going to do a little slide. You bar the second and first string of the fifth fret, right? And you slide. You don't play the notes and then slide. You just slide. Yeah, so that's what we're going for. So you play it, you slide it up 2 frets, and then you play it again, and you slide. So you're only plucking it twice, right? And first time you're going up 2 frets, second time you're going down 2 frets, and then you play in this little bar, you play the second string 5th fret, you pluck that, and then you pluck the 5th fret first string. So starting from this weird chord here, which you play twice, by the way, and then go, right? And then you play it again from the beginning. Right? And that's your little intro for Wake Up by Travis Scott on the guitar. One thing I want to say is that when you do play these chords, it sounds a lot better if you try to do a vibrato or like something like that. I'm obviously not very good at it, but like at least it looks cool, I guess, trying to do it. But yeah, if you can do that, it'll sound a lot better. I just played on these chords right here, and then go right, right, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you do practice this, because it took me a while to get it at first. Right, now see you in the next video.